Good morning, boys and girls. Today, because it's the end of the week, we have decided to do some word puzzles and word games with you. So can you open up your Away with Words on page 81? And we're going to look at some riddles. Do you know what a riddle is? Can you turn to your helper and tell them what you think it is? Yes, it's like a short sentence or a little paragraph with clues in it that give you the clues to the answer, to the picture that you're thinking about or the image that you're thinking about. So let's have a look at A. I am far away. Sometimes you cannot see me. I twinkle in the sky. I am a... Which one do you think it is? Yeah, I think you're right. The star. Can you now do the next three? Pause the video and can you write in your answers? Next, I'd like you to make up your own riddle. Think about something. Maybe look out the window. What's out the window? Can you write a little riddle about something you've just seen out the window? Remember, you have to give me clues so I can guess. So every sentence, you need to give me a clue. Then you can draw the picture. Pause the video, off you go. If you can't think of anything, maybe just leave it for the moment. And during the day, you might see something and write a little riddle on it and then come back to your book. That's okay too. And C, these are shorter riddles. Have a look at the illustrations to help you find the answers. Great, super riddles. Now can you turn to page 86 for the fun page? In A, it's asking you to write down the name of the home of each animal that it's shown around the word search. So, for example, where does a snail live? What's a snail's home? It's his, and write in the answer here. Then go all the way around the word search, writing down the names of the animals' homes. When you have finished that, then see if you can find them in the word search. I know you all have your own different ways of doing your word searches, so off you go, see how many of them you can find. For B, they're asking you to write a list in order of size. It's starting with the smallest thing in the list, and the first one is done for you. So read the list first, then decide which is the smallest thing in the list, and then the next smallest, and then the next smallest, all the way to perhaps the biggest, like in this case. Mouse, lion, dog, elephant, cat. So it starts off with mouse, then cat is the next biggest, then dog, then lion, and then the elephant. We would like you to do number 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can write them in your book if your writing is small. However, if your writing is a little bit big, perhaps do them in your copy so they look neater. And remember, start with the smallest thing, then the next smallest, all the way up to the biggest. Good, that was fun. Well done.